Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Glycolysis and fermentation work together in a cycle that keeps your cells running. Let's break down this diagram and find the correct answer fast. Figure 1 illustrates that glycolysis breaks down glucose to produce energy. During this process, the molecule NAD+ is reduced to NADH, which is a critical step for the pathway. Fermentation then oxidizes that NADH back into NAD+. This specific recycling step is essential because it allows the cell to maintain a steady supply of electron carriers for glycolysis. This regeneration of NAD+ is the key. As long as glucose is available, this cycle keeps both pathways moving forward. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps.